before. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kind. I'm back with another video. As you can see, for today's video, doing something a little different, but I was like, I'm going to my eyebrows anyways, might as well try to make some content for y'all, right? Okay, cool. So basically what you're gonna need is, because we're getting straight into it, I don't have time for the long intros. What you will need is a Just for Men's box. Like, you know, they do it for their beard, right? You go in your store, your local store, and find it. I think I got mine from Walgreens. I'm not sure. I had this for a minute, so I don't have the box, and I can't tell you exactly what color it is, but it's dark brown. So yeah, I think the boxes say like brown, light brown, dark brown. So just get dark brown. I picked the box with the black man on it because, you know, trying to see how it will look on somebody similar to my skin tone. But whatever works. Dark brown should be dark brown regardless, right? Okay, cool. So basically, once you get your box, you're going to have a color base and a color developer. So basically, all you do is open the box, follow the instructions as far as like mixing the developer and the color goes. But since I'm, you know, about to do it anyway, I'm just going to show you guys. So in the box, originally there's a plastic container thing that you use to mix the two. But it comes with like a plastic container, the developer, the color base, and a brush. A big thick ass brush that you will use for like a beard. But I have a makeup brush that has a spool on the end and like a, I don't know if y'all can see. It's like a slanted tip. Small brush, because that big brush, like if you get it and you see that big brush, like that's not gonna work on my eyebrows. Like, it's not giving that. But so yeah, I don't have a plastic container because, like I said, I had this for a minute. That's gone. But what I'm going to do is take the color developer and the base and put a even amount, like a line for both. So let me show y'all that. This is me doing the developer. See the line of that. And I'm going to do a line of the base. Real easy, real simple, nothing crazy. See like a even amount for both. Pretty simple. Then I'm going to take my brush and mix it in. Mix them together. So okay, so yeah, it should look something like this once it's mixed all in. So yeah, I'm gonna like wipe it off the brush and then brush out my eyebrows. So show y'all, brush. It ain't hardly no eyebrows, so like I'm really exaggerating it, but y'all get the idea, right? And I already arched them, so like they're already cleaned up. Normally I would do that first, but since they're already done, I don't have to. So then I take a little bit, because we have little brows, and then I just put it on there like flat, just rub it in, right? You notice how I'm starting in like the middle, not at the front. So yeah, just do that all the way around and try to stay inside your brow and not get it outside. If you do, it's an easy fix, you know, but you don't want to like tint your skin because that can happen. And after I rub it in like all the way through, I like get like a scoop and just like pat it on top. So it's like enough product. So now that I have it on there, I'm just going to outline it with my fingernail. If you're just now, it's like your first time doing anything like this, I would suggest getting like some Vaseline or yeah, maybe like outlining your eyebrows first with like an eyebrow pencil just to make it easier. But I've been doing this so long and it don't really tint my skin bad anyway. So like if I get it outside the line, it's kind of like I don't really care. But I kind of just go in with my nail. If I don't have nails on, I'll like get another brush and like outline it. Make sure I wipe all that product off before it starts tinting for real. And then yeah. But your next eyebrow. Okay, so boom, I put it on both already, as you guys can see. Since I did this one first, it's kind of like darkening up faster, but it's fine. So from the time I put it on, I kind of set an alarm for 10 minutes. And I used to do that, but the color didn't really take that well. So I started doing it for 15. Hear me out. The box says 10 minutes, I believe, if I remember correctly. The box says 10 minutes, but like, it doesn't really hurt. You know what I mean? Like for me, if you want to do 10 minutes, you do 10 minutes. Me, 15 works. So I go like 10-15 minutes and I just wipe off the front, like where my fingernail stops at. Like I wipe that off. So it like gives an ombre effect. So it's not all just like blocky like this. So it doesn't look like this once I wipe it off basically. So I'll be back after that time. I'll link the Just for Men's from Walgreens in the description box down below if you guys are interested. I'm sure like y'all could just go get it from the store and then that'll be like a lot quicker, but in case somebody wants to know, I don't know, I'll put it down there. Also, once you start doing it, you can see like how the color will look, because like it'll get darker and darker like as you're applying the product, just from it drying and stuff like that, processing. But yeah, I have somewhere to be, so I was like, let me make this quick little video for y'all, and boom, here we are. I'm rambling, I know, but I'll be back in like 10-15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
All right, I'm back. It's been like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, I don't know, around there. I don't know like what exactly, but between 10 and 15 minutes. So yeah, we're back, and I'm just gonna take off like this much. I have a flushable wipe. So y'all try to take that about that much off, and then I like blot it a little bit so it's not like a harsh, super harsh line for when I take the rest off. But I'm gonna do the next one now. Okay, yeah, boom. And then I wait about another 5 minutes for the rest, and I just wipe it all off with the wet wipe. Then I get some alcohol, wipe it. Not for any specific reason, just because normally when I arch my eyebrows, I wipe them with alcohol anyway. So it's like, why not? But yeah, so I'll see y'all in 5 minutes. Oh, also, yeah, I did go ahead and put my lashes on.
A few minutes later.
Hola, I'm back. So yeah, now I just wipe the rest off. You know what I mean? But just brush my eyebrows. And voila! You have tinted eyebrows. I have no earrings in. I just remember that. I'm like a little boy. But yeah, so it's not like a huge, drastic micro shading, micro blading kind of difference, I don't think. It might be, I don't know. But it's definitely better. So here's the before. Look at me before, look at me after. Before. Yeah, okay. So like you see what I mean? But I'm just gonna style my hair and come back. All right, I'm back. As you can see, the style didn't even take that long, but I put an earring in, and yes, I do mean a earring because I couldn't find the other one, so it's fine. We're just gonna rock a side part today. It happens. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment if you want more content like this. And yeah, nice little cute little tutorial, nothing crazy. If y'all try it out, or if you do this all the time and you got some tips for me, let me know. I appreciate it. If this is your first time you about to try it out, let me know how it goes. If it doesn't go good, remember, I'm not a professional. So yeah, do this at your own risk. But yeah, I love you if nobody else told you today. And thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and like and comment and share. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of me. And yeah, I appreciate your support and love. And if you loyal and you coming back and back and back and back and back and back again like you always do, you know I mess with you. But what we're, goddamn, I love you today. Goddamn. What you're gonna use? Goddamn. Oh, my sister did my hair, guys. She gave me some butterfly locks. I think this was her first time trying them. She did amazing. I love my hair. Y'all know I'm a wig connoisseur. I be wig down, wigged up, wig down, like wig on, wig on, wig on, wig on, wig. But we got the forehead out today. Yeah. Just embrace it. Just embracing it. But let me get y'all a 360. Get into it. All right, but I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I'm gonna let y'all go. All right, bye, y'all.